Marla Grant, co-founder of 2020 Leadership Group. I am a certified business development and leadership development coach for lawyers and law firms, and I'm also a former practicing attorney. If you're like most attorneys, you likely are tending to put the activities that are going to help you really advance your career as a lawyer on the back burner in large part. You're probably consumed by your day-to-day billable hour requirements, all of the day-to-day demands and deadlines that you have to meet. And so, like most of us, you probably are putting some of those activities that are really going to take your career to the next level off because they're not really seen as that urgent. Most attorneys will simply tell us that they just don't have the time. And we get it. We know that your time is very limited and you're juggling loads of demands. But the reality is that it's probably not just the time. What we find is usually the case is that there's an all or nothing mentality. And we get it because we've been there many times. And when you have that all or nothing mentality, it's going to keep you from doing, let's say, the business development activities that you know you need to do because you're afraid that it's going to take up large chunks of your time. So one way to begin overcoming this is a two-pronged approach. Number one, it starts with what we call an inner game shift, meaning this is a new way of thinking and it's something that needs to take place first and foremost in your mind, which is let go of the all or nothing mentality. Much easier said than done, we get it, but that's the first step. Once you let go of the all or nothing approach, then the second prong is to adopt the 15-minute approach. Literally just take 15 minutes every day or even every other day and use those 15 minutes, just 15 minutes, to take one small step to move you forward towards your bigger long-term goals. So with business development, for example, take 15 minutes and simply review your list of contacts and figure out who would be a key contact for you to then reach out to. Or spend those 15 minutes and literally just plan what your activities are going to be for the week. We call this thinking time. Or take those 15 minutes and research a topic for a blog that you might want to write or a talk that you might want to give. Maybe just send one email or schedule one or two lunch meetings. So the idea here is to really start small and not think that you have to dedicate large chunks of time to keep moving yourself forward with your goals. So again, let go of the all or nothing approach and adopt the 15-minute approach. I'm Marla Grant, co-founder of 2020 Leadership Group. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button below for more quick tips, strategies, and insights to your success.